Speaking of volatility, Jim, we're going to see GameStop open up about 10% or so here. George Sherman is out, which, of course, some earlier reports had led us to believe. It sort of brings to mind the note from David Kostin over the weekend, Jim, out of Goldman, that online retail call option volume is down to the lowest level since late last year. David asking some questions about overall volume and whether or not the retail trader has truly taken a step back.
I think the retail trader devolved into GameStop, and then GameStop, periodically cinema with Adam Aaron, then right back to GameStop. I call it a single-issue site, Wall Street Bets. You have single-issue politicians?
Yes.
This is a single-issue site. They care about GameStop. They got their guy, David. Sherman has been there for 2 years. No one thinks about what the stock's done under Sherman. Right? General Sherman took it from what? Well, it's not allowed to. It has to go 100% to your man, Cohen.
Right. Well, it's your man, Cohen, because you're the one who's talked about him a great deal.
I want him to
spoken of him with reverence to a certain extent.
Yes.
I mean, we are looking at a stock that could be $170 today, a market value that could be well over 12 billion, close to $12 billion.
Well, I think he has to do with Time Magazine.
Does that in any way reflect the fundamental prospects for this company at this point?
I don't know. I've checked with the single-issue people who believe it still should pass the 400. Carl, here's what I know about GameStop. The stores are not where the action is. But if Cohen were to take up my bank of Ethereum, that he just does crypto banking in all the different stores, don't worry, he's going to do this, and then he's going to take credit, and the Wall Street Bets people are going to say it was all their idea. But they have to go crypto, Carl, because otherwise they have to have giant at the end of the malls, giant gaming palaces where there's no latency, using NVIDIA chips and playing games, Carl.
Wow.
That's what I predict.
You've got a whole vision here, don't you?
Well, I have to, because Ryan Cohen doesn't.
He doesn't.
Well, his vision is to fire everybody and bring in buddies from various websites.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.